Okay, tribe, let's get into these RDLs, aka Romanian deadlifts. For my home babes, you're gonna grab your dumbbells. For my gym babes, you're gonna go ahead and grab that barbell. You're gonna start standing with your knees slightly loose with the weight held squarely in front of your hips. In this movement, you wanna make sure that you're hinging. That's pushing your hips and glutes back and keeping your knees slightly bent. Coming up, you want to make sure you drive those hips forward and squeeze your glutes as you stand back up to start. Biggest mistakes I see is people using weights that are too heavy, so make sure that you start with a lighter weight until you get the movement. I see people either rounding their spine or pretty much overarching in the exercise. Make sure you're not locking up. Make sure your back and lats are engaged. And make sure you're not locking those knees out as you're coming up. Make sure those knees stay nice and soft. Make sure you keep your core engaged to protect that lower back. Anywho, like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.